Gikuo kia muciari ni undu ninaga mwihoko wa ciana iria ciatigwo na thutha, no na imwe cia ciana ciikoraga citari no uhoti ringi wa guthie na mbere na mathomo mao. Na ni utauku uyu ucungireirie Sacco ya ruhonge rwa borithi iria yuikaine ta Police Sacco gukorwo na mubango wa guthomithagia arutwo aria aciari ao makwa mari utungata-ini niguo magatigirira ati githomo gia ciana ici gitirakwama thutha wa kwehererwo ni aciari ao. Betty Ayela ni mutumia wa ndigwa kuma Homa Bay na ni aratutariria uria muthuri akuire mwaka wa 2016 ari mwena wa Kapenguria mari na maabitha angi atano thutha wa ukurathwo ni umwe wao, akiuga atigirwo family yake iri nini na ni agiekire muno akirera ciana ciake igiri kuona uria mukuru ithi agikua ari na miaka 7.
By then he was the only sole breadwinner. Mimi sikuwa nimepata kazi. And then akakufa abruptly. The kids were in private school. Hasa wakati alikufa everything ikasimama.
Munyakani ati muthuri wa Betty ari mumemba wa Police Sacco na uguo akirirwo ati muruwe angigakinya max 360 guthii na iguru thiini wa kigeranio giake gia KCPE. Sacco ino ni kamuthomithia kuma kirathi gia form 1 nginyagia university na muruwe akigwatira max 399 na Sacco ino riu niyo iramuthomithia.
I look forward to helping the members of my community by getting a career in medicine where the people around can benefit.
Kate Hope Ndulo ni muiritu wokuru wa miaka 23 kuma CIANA na ari mwaka wake wa kana thukuru-ini wa Moi University agithomera kothi ya utaramu wa urigitani na dawa, nawe egwateire max 398 agitariria ati ithewe akuire riria bagiriria mathomo make ma muthingi mwaka-ini wa 2006 no nake ni umwe wa aria magunikite mubango-ini uyu.
I was taken in, so I was helped through high school, fees, shopping. They'd also visit, like when mom didn't have money to come to school.
Wayne Wesley Kumanyiri ari na ukuru wa miaka 19 no nake akoretwo agithomithio ni Police Sacco na riu ari mwaka wa keri thukuru-ini wa TUK agithomera kothi ya civil engineering, akiuga we ithi akuire ari munini kuhitukira mutino wa barabara ari wira-ini na thutha ucio nyina akirituhirwo ni muturire kumarera.
All I hope for is that the compensation that they hope to offer goes directly to the family involved, not to any other related relatives.
Muikariri wa Sacco ino David Mategwa ni aratariria ati niguo mahote guteithiriria arutwo aya guthoma uria mekaga ni kuiga keheri-ini kigina gia kumathomithia ona mbere ya mahete AMEMBA Sacco dividends ciao.
We don't get money from the shares of the members. When we declare our surplus, that is how we come up with some money.
Gukinyiria riu Sacco ino iri na arutwo matanyihiire 248 aria marateithika mubango-ini uyu, no na thengia wa Sacco ino gukorwo igiteithiriria arutwo aya kimathomo no megukorwo makirora aria mari na iheo cia mwanya niguo mamateithiriria uria mangiciukiria na muoroto wa kumahotithia kwirugamirira kimuturire.
We support provided that the kid will attain 360 marks in KCPE and above. We support up to the university level.
Aria moritwo ni andu ao mari utungata-ini wa ugitiri marauga ati gutiri uteithio monaga kuma kuri thirikari o ari ona thengia wa kuheo ciiraniro.
They are being killed in the line of duty. So immediately they are killed, the government comes in and then makes some promises. Like on our case, the government promised us that they will give us around 10 million compensation.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.
Tunatembea nao kwa laini moja.